Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video on a 1969 Pontiac GTO. Now, this beautiful ride is finished in midnight green, the original midnight green with the black vinyl top. Beautiful car. It features a 400 engine under the hood with an automatic transmission. It is a coded YS engine code, so it is the correct engine for a 400 automatic 69 GTO. I did not run the numbers on it to see if the date code is correct, but it is the correct YS engine code. Beautiful car. It has factory power steering, factory power brakes with disc brakes on the front. Also has factory air conditioning. Beautiful vinyl top on the car. The car came out of the Carolinas, so the undercarriage is super nice. Very, very clean car. Check out the trunk. The spare tire and jack is in there. Your jack instructions. This car has been restored. There's plenty of paperwork that goes along with this car. Your jams are very nice. Interior looks great. The seats, carpet, dash pad, headliner, visors, package tray, seat belts, they're all in great shape on this car. Very, very nice, clean car. Dome lights work. Air conditioning blows cold. Very, very nice, clean, solid car. Doors open and shut perfectly. Body lines, body gaps, panel fitment, all very nice as well. Underneath the hood, very, very well detailed. Retains the original exhaust manifolds. You say power steering and brakes. And there's your air. It's just been a very, very nicely restored car. And I drove this car the other day down the road, and man, oh man, does it run and drive very, very nice. Same way with this side. Panel fitment is great. I don't see any bubbles or blisters on the bottom side of the car, the quarter panels, the bottom of the doors, the bottoms of the fenders. Nothing like that. The only imperfections I've seen, it's got one small little chip here. And if you look real close on the nose, the urethane nose, it's got some fine little hairline cracks. And those of you who are GTO guys know that kind of happens over the time with them urethane front bumpers. All the glass is in excellent shape on the car. The stainless trim and bright work. Emblems, they're all very nice as well. Vinyl top is pretty. Jams. What you doing, IJ? You pedaling your tractor?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gonna go for a ride with me when I go for a ride?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be the cameraman?
Sure.
Kind of sad. Isaac's got to go back to school on Wednesday, so only a couple more days left. We'll fire it up here for you. Says the specs on this says 10 3/4 to 1 compression. It says 375 horse. I know these were all underrated because these things, they got way more power than that. Horn works. Wipers work. Left turn, right turn, bright headlight indicator, radio. AC. display flashers. Here's a bunch of paperwork that's in here for this car. I haven't even looked through all of it yet. There's just a lot of invoice paperwork. Stuff you like to see when you buy a car. License plate lights, flashers, turn signals, tail lights. This car is ready for somebody to enjoy. What do you think, Isaac? Should we go out and enjoy it quick? Yeah. All right, let's take it out for a spin, Isaac. Here, get in. You can sit up front.
I'm going to sit out back. I have better like.
Huh?
It's going to look better.
What's going to look better?
If I get in the back.
Oh, if you get in the back, you think it'll look better when we're videoing?
Yeah.
All right, I'll wait till I get out of here on the road, and then I'll give it to you, okay? What have you been doing up there in the office?
Watching TV.
Are you petting that cat?
Yeah.
Yeah?
She's pretty cute.
Yeah, she's pretty cute. All right, hold it just like that, okay? You ready, Isaac?
Uh-huh.
Here we go. Second gear scratch. Had to get the cops blown out of her a little bit, Isaac.
What?
It was loaded up a little bit. We had to get her cleaned out. All the gauges work, speedometer works perfect. Gas gauge, oil pressure gauge, temp gauge, those all work. Radio works. Wipers. This car runs good. Nice car, isn't it, Isaac?
Yeah.
It drives like a dream too. Look at this. No hands on the steering wheel, right down the road. This thing is just a great car. Drive this car down the road with one finger. Brakes work perfect. This is a nice car. Holy cow. She's well sorted out, everyone. Ready for the next owner to enjoy it. Car shows, cruise-ins, cars and coffee, drive-ins with friends. This thing is going to get a lot of attention. I'll be right back, Isaac. I'm going to take a little video of the outside quick. He's a future owner of Kinion Classics right there, aren't you, buddy? Yeah. Yeah. Teaching him right. He knows good cars, don't you, buddy? What's the first thing you do when you come up to a car like this? What do you look at?
Interior.
What else do you look at? What do I tell you to do?
Underneath it.
Yeah, underneath. What are you looking for underneath?
Rust.
Yeah, exactly. We don't want any rusty cars, do we, Isaac?
Except that one.
Yep.
That one.
Yeah. We use that one for parts, don't we?
We do?
Mm-hmm. Isaac knows solid cars, don't you, buddy?
Yeah.
He's been... Remember that time? Isaac, here you go. Hold this. Hold her when we're going down the road, okay? Remember that time we went and looked at that guy's car, Isaac, and you told him that it was rusty underneath and he got mad at you?
Yeah. He really got mad at me.
Yeah. Well, it was rusty underneath, wasn't it?
It was.
Yeah, we didn't buy it, did we?
No.
Mm. good. 69 Pontiac GTO, folks. 400 automatic steering brakes, air, beautiful car, super solid North Carolina car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So give us a call if you want to be the next proud owner of this beautiful 69 GOAT. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks to all my YouTube subscribers. And if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button today. That way you never miss another great muscle car. I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I'll be back at you here in just a little bit with another great quality classic.